Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by placing focus where you want work to start. Press Tab to move forward and Shift plus Tab to move back. Once done, combine modifiers. Hold Control for jump behaviors, Alt for menu access, and Shift to invert direction. Make sure to enable or customize keyboard shortcuts in your app or operating system settings so keys behave predictably. You'll save time and avoid mouse dependence. Practice a few sequences to build muscle memory and confirm focus rings or highlights appear as you move. You now refine control with directional and page keys. Arrow keys move character or cell by cell, while home and end jump to line start or finish. Page up and page down traverse larger blocks. Once comfortable, layer selection by adding shift to arrows and use control with arrows to jump words or blocks. Make sure to memorize critical application shortcuts like search, switch panes, or history to avoid context switching. Practice sequences that combine search plus jump so you can reach targets in 2 or 3 keystrokes. You finish actions with Enter to activate controls and Escape to cancel or close overlays. Use space to toggle checkboxes. Once done, restore or change focus using Alt plus Tab to switch apps or a dedicated focus command inside the app. If keys don't respond, make sure shortcuts aren't remapped, check accessibility or keyboard settings, and reboot if necessary. One quick troubleshooting tip. Press Shift plus F10 or the context key to open menus when right-click doesn't work, then use arrow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.